Today's video is all about the life-changing effects of waking up early at the same time every day. Now, this might sound simple, but I recently did a 30-day experiment where I committed to waking up at the exact same time each morning and watching the sunrise. And let me tell you, the results were way more powerful than I expected. I felt happier, more productive, more motivated, and even experienced some unexpected health benefits. Stick around if you want to hear how a consistent wake-up time changed my life and what it could do for yours. Why consistent wake-up times matter. To kick things off, let's talk about why waking up at the same time every day is so powerful. Our bodies run on a natural rhythm called the circadian rhythm. It is like our body's own internal clock that tells us when to sleep, when to wake up, and even influences things like energy levels, digestion, and mood. When you wake up at the same time every day, you're working with that internal clock instead of against it, which has a huge impact on your overall well-being. Now, I want to talk about the changes I noticed over 30 days. Happier mood. After the first week, I noticed I just felt better. Waking up with the sunrise, my mood lifted almost naturally. The simple change set a positive tone for the entire day. I felt more grounded, calm, and ready to take on whatever was ahead. Number 2. Boost in productivity and motivation. With a set wake-up time, I found it way easier to jump into tasks. There wasn't a sluggish start to the day, where I dragged myself around until my mind finally kicked into gear. Instead, my mornings became my most productive time, and that motivation carried throughout the day. Another important aspect is improved digestion and immune system. One huge perk I noticed was the improvement in my digestion and immune system. By waking up at the same time, my body seemed to find a rhythm, which actually helped balance my digestion. Meals felt lighter, and I noticed less bloating and discomfort. Beyond that, a regular wake-up time strengthened my immune response. Studies show that our immune system works more effectively with a consistent sleep schedule. So I was able to fight off those little colds and sluggish feelings that sometimes creep in. Feeling physically lighter and knowing my immune system was in check added a whole new level of vitality to my day. Number 4. Feeling and looking younger. Another benefit that I didn't expect was how much younger I felt. Consistent sleep and a well-timed wake-up can improve the quality of your skin and energy, which definitely had a refreshing effect. I felt more vibrant and noticed subtle changes in my appearance, like a healthier glow and fewer tired lines. Not to mention more energy and creativity. My energy levels felt balanced, with no midday crashes. Plus, my creativity was on fire. Waking up at the same time seemed to put my mind in a state of flow, where ideas came more easily and I felt more inspired to tackle creative tasks. Number 6. Clearer mind and less brain fog. Another major shift, I experienced less brain fog and much sharper concentration. Having a set time to wake up seemed to clear the clouds, so to speak. My thoughts felt more organized and I could focus on tasks without my mind wandering. This change made a noticeable difference in my work, especially in those early hours when my mind was now primed and ready. The result? More creative ideas, faster thinking, and more efficient day all around. Why watching the sunrise is a game changer. Part of my experiment included watching the sunrise every morning. There is something about that early morning light that feels almost magical. The soft, natural light signals to your body that it is time to be awake and alert, which helps regulate melatonin production. By starting the day with natural light, my energy felt more stable. Plus, there's just something uplifting about starting the day with such a peaceful ritual. How can you try it too? If you're curious about trying this for yourself, here's how to get started. Pick a consistent wake-up time. Choose a time you know you can stick to even on weekends. Consistency is key to reaping all the benefits. Start with small adjustments. If you're not used to waking up early, try adjusting your wake-up time by 15-minute increments each day and until you reach your goal. It'll feel much more manageable. Create a morning routine. To make mornings something you look forward to, build a small routine around your wake-up time. This could be watching the sunrise, stretching, or even having a few quiet moments with a warm drink. Stick with it for 30 days. Give it a solid 30 days to really feel the effects. If my experience is anything to go by, you might be surprised by how much this small habit can transform your days. So, waking up at the same time every day may sound simple, but it can seriously impact happiness, motivation, digestion, and energy levels. After my 30-day experiment, I can say it's been one of the most worthwhile habits I ever tried. If you're up for a new challenge that could change your life, give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you'd consider trying this or if you have already seen benefits from a regular wake-up time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ways to improve both body and mind. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.